Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by isolating the noisy portion and duplicating the clip so you have a non-destructive backup. Once done, open the Effects panel and apply Premiere's Noise Reduction effect to the audio or video layer. You do this first because a targeted application saves rendering time and avoids altering clean footage. Make sure to work with a peak preview and set playback resolution to 1/2 while testing. This keeps previews responsive and lets you iterate quickly without wasting time. Next, focus on the detailed adjustments. Lower the reduction only until noise drops but detail remains. Raise threshold carefully so you don't chew transients. Use temporal smoothing or spectral denoise options for video noise that changes frame to frame because they preserve motion detail. Once done, toggle bypass to compare before/after and audition on headphones at normal listening level. This verifies dialogue clarity without masking artifacts. Make sure to use short loops so adjustments reflect in real time and you can fine-tune confidently. You finish by rendering a preview to inspect for pumping or smearing artifacts, then export using a 2-pass or hardware-accelerated encoder for consistent results. If you spot metallic or underwater artifacts, back off the reduction amount and try a gentle parametric EQ to remove narrowband noise instead. This preserves clarity. If problems persist, export a short test clip and compare codecs or try Adobe Audition's denoise for a denser control set. That troubleshooting path resolves most stubborn noise without overprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.